Nimewaeleza. Sasa nimewaeleza imetosha.
Lakini wacha turejelee hizo.
Wacha Kogi. Naomba Kogi.
Joki, naomba Kogi alafu.
Okay.
Kogi.
Yeah, Your Excellency, my name is Kogi.
Kogi.
From
Sema kutoka kwa kona.
Now, I'm that son who want to brief dad after busy day from work.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm giving an example. I'm that son who want to brief the dad after a long day of working.
Correct.
I want to give you and to draw a picture why the people from the region are very hostile and anger. They have a lot of anger. One is the issue of the minimum guarantee return in milk, in coffee and tea.
Very good.
During your manifesto, that was the key. And I remember when we were doing the economical chapter from each county to county. The other issue is that they feel there is hand of William Ruto in sidelining the people from the Mount Kenya. And I just want to highlight a few examples of them. They say there was hand in William Ruto to impeach the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. There was hand in committee reorganization, and that is why Dede Nyoro is no longer the chairman of the budget. There was hand of William Ruto, when that is why the former incompetence, as you said, CS Muturi, is not serving as the CS. Then there is this issue about the economic chapters that you held in Kiambu. You promised the people of Kiambu that the first thing that you are going to do, you will make sure that Kiambu have to enjoy the factory of production of broiler chicken. You remember that day. Now Kiambu is the leading in production of milk. They are the leading in coffee. They are leading in matters of pottery and so forth. They feel the promises that you have made to them, none of them has been have been fulfilled.
I'm going to answer you.
The one, let me highlight few, then I give my rest, the panelists to continue. One of them is the Tharaka-Nithi bridge that you promised within 100 days, you are going to make sure that the bridge is done. There is the Rurengo Stadium, the famous Rurengo Stadium. It is still in the structure as it was there before. There is this Mau Mau Road. Apart from some few constituencies, the others, they remain stored projects. They are asking, the project that Uhuru left through when he was the president, they are still there. They claim you are coming to relaunch again. The same project, the same you did last time. So they are here wondering, what is this president want to bring us back? That is why I have diverted from the real issue of impeachment so that we can discuss the policy. They also feel that even the broad-based...
Sasa ukiuliza mingi, sasa nitajibu gani? So siulize kidogo, nijibu alafu ulize ingine.
Nimalizie na hii moja. The issue about the broad-based government.
Yes.
They feel even the deputy president that we have, Kithure Kindiki, is on the road because those people who have joined the government, they are claiming everything in the government, starting from the position from the committee. All the people who are associated with a deputy president, they no longer serve in any of the committee. So they even feel that the deputy president is sitting on bonus. Akojia ya kuenda. Maybe if you can answer that, I'll come there after the discussion.
Sasa umesema mingi, sasa sijui nitakujibu gani. Anyway, wacha tuanze na ile ya muhimu. Umesema mambo ya guaranteed minimum return. Si ndio?
Yes.
Tulikubaliana na wakulima ya kwamba wa maziwa, tuanze na wa maziwa. Na mimi nataka ukiwa na nafasi uliza Bwana Kamiro ambaye ni chairman wetu wa KCC. Wakati tumeingia ofisini, maziwa ilikuwa inauza 35 shillings per kilo. Tulisema we are going to make sure that tutainua bei ya maziwa. Today as I talk to you, maziwa ni 50 shillings. That is the guaranteed price we have given to farmers. Mimi nimeweka pesa ya serikali katika hiyo mpango ya maziwa. Today every farmer, in fact nilisema ya kwamba sio 50 alafu ikatwe. In fact it is 53 shillings alafu 50 inaenda kwa mkulima, 3 shillings inaenda kwa wale watu wengine, transport na nini na nini na nini na nini. I want you to check with farmers, whether it is Nyahururu, whether it is Nakuru, wherever it is, whether they are being paid 50 shillings or not. That is number one. Number two, kahawa. Nilipromise watu wa Kenya, wakiwemo watu wa mlima, ya kwamba nitafukuza cartels. Ya kwamba hii kahawa tutainua bei yake, tutaondoa wale wakora ambao wamekuwa wakihujumu kilimo ya kahawa. What did we do? Nilichukua reforms ya kahawa nikalete kwa office of the president. Tukaseparate millers, tukaseparate brokers, na tukahakikisha kwamba kila mtu ako na leseni moja. Pia nikatransfer, nikasema hii Nairobi Coffee Exchange tukalete watu wa CMA into the equation. Ile kahawa ilikuwa inalipwa baada ya miezi 6, leo inalipwa baada ya siku 5 to the cooperatives. Mpango yangu by June this year haitakuwa inalipwa kwa cooperative, itakuwa inalipwa kwa mkulima in 5 days. Leo nikiongea na wewe Kogi, bei ya kahawa, uliza mkulima yeyote, ile ilikuwa 40 shillings, 50 shillings. Leo average price ya kahawa Kenya, because of what I have done in the last 1.5 years, bei ya kahawa leo is on average 110. Kuna factories na cooperatives zinalipa 130, 140, in fact 147 in some of them. That is the commitment I made. Number 3, kwa mambo ya chai, niliwaambia ya kwamba hii mambo ya chai we're going to do something about it. Today uliza watu wa KTDA, Mudhaura na bwana Kirundi ambaye ni chairman wa KTDA. Nimetoa pesa ya serikali kusaidia KTDA kuhakikisha kwamba number 1, bei ya mbolea tunaipunguza chini. Walikuwa wananunua 5,000. In fact, when the first year when I came into office walikuwa wananunua 5,500. Leo uliza mkulima yeyote ya KTDA wanalipa pesa ngapi? 2,500. What has happened? This year, 2024, not 2025, 2024, hiyo imepita. Mapato ya chai kwa sababu ya ile kuongezeka kwa mazao, kwa sababu ya intervention ya kuzalisha ama productivity, tumeongeza from 170 billion mpaka 215 billion as KTDA. Farmers are making more money in tea, farmers are making more money in coffee, farmers are making more money in tea, in milk. So if you want to have an exam with me on what I have done in the agricultural sector, I am ready to have that exam. Let me also wacha to see wacha nafasi
Can I do a follow up on tea because it's key to our region, on tea, a follow up on tea.
Yes.
Ndio mazao imekuwa juu, lakini mapato huenda yakakuwa chini kwa sababu tumepoteza soko la muhimu Sudan, na imekuwa ni kwa sababu wewe umeruhusu mrengo wa waasi kuanzisha serikali hapa Nairobi.
Wewe kwanza unasema hiyo unasema ya chai ya kuuza Sudan.
Yes.
By the way, we are selling tea to Sudan. Okay. Even after they say they are not buying our tea, the market itself has forced them. We sell tea today to Sudan. So there is absolutely no issue about selling of tea. And that is why we are making money in the tea sector. Let me also tell you